We are back again. We are doing Southern Skeins Vintage Lane Holiday Advent, and this one is day 12. It's going to be the last one in a batch, and let's check it out. Notice I said a different color, and there we go. That's very pretty. So let's get that one out. And oh, that is really pretty. I like that one. And I'll show it to you. Get these colors up here. There we go. There we go. Now we're getting some more there you go. More color in there. That's really pretty. Very pretty. They're all sticking out too much. Hang on. Let's get them to lay better in my hand, with one sticking up more than the other. Trying to anyway. Pretty soon I'm not going to be able to hold them all up. There we go. That looks stunning. That's a lot of beautiful colors. Can't wait to put them together. So that's going to look really nice. Love that. So I'm not going to put them in order of the days. I'm going to mix the colors up a little more. So can't wait to see you tomorrow. Stay safe, be kind to one another. Happy yarning. Bye now.